Hi everyone, welcome to another session. In this session, we will continue our discussion regarding biometric error types. So we have already discussed about biometric methods in other two sessions. So in this session, we will try to conclude this topic. So as you can see, this table summarizes how different biometric authentication methods perform in terms of security, error types, and accuracy. CER, crossover error rate. So we have a detailed discussion on this CER. So let's discuss fingerprint. Fingerprint, the first biometric method, fingerprint. So here, this method is most common method, and error type is false rejection type 1. So that system may deny access to rightful user, right? So, and CER is moderate, relatively balanced, but not the most accurate. So, for example, phone does not unlock even with the correct finger due to moisture or sensor issues, right? So we experience this thing very often when we try to unlock our telephone or our laptop, or even sometime we have seen some lifts in the building. So you you need to use your finger, and sometimes it does not work because on your finger, if there is uh, some moisture or dirty finger, so um, that might will cause uh, excess deny, right? So therefore, false rejection um, is could be very often, right? So second one is facial recognition. So security is convenient. False acceptance. It might let unauthorized people in. So we have a very detailed discussion on this false acceptance, FAR. Mm, CER is high, less accurate due to sensitivity to light, angles, or similar looking faces. Someone with the similar face structure might unlock the device, right? So this face recognition um, here, false acceptance rate, the rate could be high, type 2. Third one is iris scanner. Iris scanner more precise than fingerprints or facial recognition. False false rejection type 1 can deny unauthorized users. CER low high accuracy with minimal overlap between false positive uh, slash negatives here. So used in military or secure labs, or rejection due to lighting or movement. So here is, you can see type 1. The third one is most secure, retina scan or multimodal. We also call it multimodal. So false acceptance type 2. Most secure, CER is very low, so very accurate but possibly slower or more expensive. Sorry, false acceptance is very, very rare. it's very accurate but possibly slower or more expensive. High security environment like defense or border control. So that's it about this biometric carrier comparison. We do not need to go into that detail, but we need to understand type 1, what type 1 is, what type 2 is, what false acceptance is, what false rejection is, a difference between them, common methods. So we need to understand most secure method, for instance, RITNA. So that kind of understanding should be sufficient for the CISSP exam. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any feedback on this topic, kindly share in the comment section.